welcome back. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now this is also Kat speaking.
This is May.
As I mentioned firstly, we Allground is a professional manufacturer for consumer goods, and with more than 10 our own brand with of 400 kinds of products.
Yeah.
So in the previous introduction, our brand is, as I mentioned, is the top one, Cleese, our Cleese brand.
Yes.
So May. Now we will introduce another 2 brands. So
yes.
That is.
As you can see on the table, one is this is Error, and another is Mystic.
So,
yeah. As you can see on the
2020
and the Beauty. Yeah.
Mystic,
you want the mystery? Yeah.
Mystic is the word the justice. And the Mystic is also just like a mystery.
Yes, and we have the shampoo, cream bath, and beauty soap in our Mystic brand.
So
today,
now for the Mystic products, we will introduce the most hot selling, the most popular product of our air freshener. So. Can you introduce more details?
Yes. You can see. You can put this.
Okay.
And we have, as you can see on our hands, there are 2 different sizes, right? This is 250 millimeters, and this is 350 millimeters.
So, and I think these 2 sizes are enough and popular for our valued clients.
Yes, great. Yeah,
and I think this one can put, so for example, at our desk table.
Yeah.
And this one also for household using.
Yes, you can just press it. Yeah. And this we have a automatic spray.
Yeah. This one. And I think this one. No. This
one. Yeah. I can say it. We can just put. Yeah, there is an.
Yeah.
Yes, there is a machine. Yeah. Mystic. You can just put the refill to the machine, and when you hang on the wall, it can spray automatically in a regular time. Yeah. So it's very for lazy people, they don't want to press.
In the hall or in the supermarket, they use this automatic air freshener. Yes. So meanwhile, as far as I know, we have not only this fragrances.
Yes, you got the.
Tell our valued clients how many fragrances we have.
You got the point. As for the fragrance, I just show you our catalog.
Okay.
We need to stand up. Yes.
Yeah.
As you can see on the catalog.
Yes.
So many fragrances. You can see on the different colors and the different flowers. You can see all this. This is only a part of.
A part of.
Yes.
And you can this word.
Yes. We cannot put all the fragrances on the
too small,
catalog.
But if we have more questions about our fragrance, and I think you can talk with our online customer service. They will tell you whatever fragrance we have. Okay.
Yes.
So this is our fragrance.
Yes. We totally have more than 340 fragrances. Yeah, for you to introduce.
Introduce. Meanwhile, last month I heard from one of our workmates. We also have order from European customers. So we can also do channel number 5.
Yes, right.
This perfume, I think.
We can do the perfume fragrance.
Channel 5 perfume.
Yes. If you like, you can just contact our customer service for more details about the fragrance.
Yeah. So, and according to our previous experience, and many clients will like this. Oh, I wanted to do our own brand. You know, we have advertisement for our own brand in our own market. So. Most of my customers already accept our own brand. So can we do that for them?
Yes, we suggest you to choose our brand.
Why?
For we have many, just a small point, we have many advertisement now. Why not choose us? Yeah. So, if you insist in to choose your own private labels, we can also do that.
Yeah.
So don't worry about that.
That's why we highly recommend you, as May mentioned before. We highly recommend you to choose our own brand, because we have professional sales team almost in every countries. Okay. So we also advertisement in some big popular positions, places. So and also for our lead time is short for our own brand. So mention the lead time. We will mention about our capacity of air freshener. So May, I need your help to write down the numbers of our air freshener. Our capacity of air freshener is the numbers. Please write down the numbers, okay? Of our air freshener.
I guess you can do that. I give this to you.
There's many zero, I think.
Yeah.
So I will write down from the first there.
1, 0, 0. How many 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Add 0 and plus 1. So our capacity per year for this Mystic air freshener is 100
million. 100 million.
Yeah, 100 million. So you know, we all around there is too huge. So our unit is 4 million. So as we mentioned before, for hand sanitizer, our daily capacity is 3 million bottles. So for air freshener,
I can't believe that. That's huge.
It's 100 million bottles for air freshener. So if your math is well, you can calculate for per day.
I can calculate, but I can't believe that.
Yes, this is our annual capacity for our Mystic air freshener. So
yes, you can see the 100 billion and for more than 340 fragrances. So why not choose us? So amazing.
Yes, and we have different fragrances to meet your needs.
Yeah.
We have different bottle shapes.
Yeah.
And with the huge capacity, production power.
Yeah.
And we also have enough certificates for exporting.
Yeah.
We have also online customer service. So why not choose we all around? Why not, if you are interested in this product, why not choose we all around? Why not choose we own brand Mystic?
So just do that.
Yeah.
Just contact our customer service to place the order.
Yes. So and our air freshener is also no toxic.
Yeah.
So, and as far as I know, so for this 250 milliliter is best on
alcohol.
Best on alcohol.
Yeah.
Yeah. This 250 milliliter is best on alcohol.
Yeah.
And as far as I know, for this
is best
350 milliliter is best on
water.
Water.
Yeah, 70%.
So we have different
best.
Yeah. So for your needs. So actually, if you have special needs of this best just feel free to contact us. Our customer service will online for you with 24 hours. That is to say, at any time you can, if you have any questions about our products, about our factory, please do not hesitate to contact us. Okay?
Yeah.
So as we mentioned, firstly, we have now this year we will introduce another 2 brands. This is our Mystical, and this air freshener is the most popular for air freshener in Mystical brand.
Right.
And another is Aero. And Aero is for kill some pests.
Yeah.
Pests.
Now it's summertime. Yeah. What's the trouble is?
And I think for all of us in summer, hot summer.
Yes.
I
just want a good sleep. Yeah.
We feel so
troublesome.
Yes. So that is mosquito.
Yeah. We all hate.
Flies.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we have product to help you to let this trouble go away, okay?
Yeah, yes.
So that is our Mystical
Aero. Yeah.
Our Aero
insecticide spray.
Yeah. So as I mentioned many times, we are professional manufacturer to produce almost every consumer goods in our daily use. So that is this product will keep you away from trouble in hot summer.
Yeah.
And as we all know, these products are most popular in African countries.
Yeah.
So maybe and I think in this time they also
they all need this, and we have a lot of requests recently about the mosquito coils and the insecticide spray.
Also for and this product belongs to aerosol.
Yeah, aerosol. So we also have a mosquito coils on aerosol.
As we mentioned before, even if our annual capacity is 100 million bottles, but we have plenty of orders for this aerosols product. So for this insecticide spray, we have right now we have three sizes.
Yes, we have 3 sizes, as you can see.
No, this is air freshener.
This.
Yeah.
Three.
This 3 size is.
This is 400
milliliters.
And this is 70.
The current biggest size. 750 milliliters.
Yeah,
this is the middle size is 300 milliliters.
600 millimeters, and this is 750. 750 millimeters. Yeah.
So this is 2 sizes, and I think it's normally used for our clients. So as we mentioned before, if you have special needs of the size, just feel free to tell us. Okay?
Yes. Also, we have different
our customer service
fragrance.
Or our salesman will give you more details about this product. So, and also for this product,
this is a lemon fragrance, and this is jasmine, and this is natural. Yeah, we have different fragrance and sizes for you to choose.
So and please don't worry about our capacity, our lead time, and our fragrance, our formula. So we will give you as per your requirements.
Yes. Shortest time.
So,
and high quality products.
Special needs with your own labor, it's okay for us, but we need time to design
your label. If you want your own private label,
you know, our label is not just put in put on the bottles.
It's a bottle.
We have design factory to design the bottles.
You can't peel it.
You can't peel it. We just
print it on the bottle.
So if you have special needs of the brand, of your private label, just feel free to contact us, okay? So our online customer service or our salesman will be right here waiting for you. So You know, time is limited. For more details, we highly recommend to call us directly, or talk with our online customer service or salesman. We'll give you more details. So now please see one video for just a brief introduction of our products. Okay, let's see the video. Okay.